tell me, why is it so important to disinfect a comb, scissors, such like from one customer to the other?
It is not about the length or the breadth of the prayer. It is about the sincerity of the heart.
Good evening. I bought this for you. Please accept it from my heart. Thank you very much. That's my papa made him scratch of flowers. How to album? Oh, Grace. Huh?
Thank you, boss.
I want yours.
Look at you. Let me also try yours.
Baby. Sweetheart, I'm sorry for not trusting you and making a fool out of myself.
We don't have to talk about that unfortunate incident. It's past and gone. I believe we have both learnt our lessons.
Thank you. You are kind. But I still feel embarrassed about the whole incident. To think I could contemplate suicide. Baby, you laugh it off.
Things we do for love.
You laugh it off. You should be frightened your girlfriend has suicidal tendencies.
Oh yes, it was a little bit frightening. On the other hand, it feels good that you would die rather than lose me.
You are too much.
Look at you. It's in my school. You know I love you.
Hello? Hello? I thought I made myself clear the last time. Come on, I don't believe that. Listen, let's have an appointment with my doctor to have a confirmation. I don't care if I'm offending you or not, since you've decided to make my life a living hell. Sika, you are just peeved because I don't longer want to see you or give you money. You know, the last time anything happened between the two was 2 months ago. I don't care the number of times you've had the test yourself. I need a proof. And if it's confirmed you are pregnant, we just have to, we need a paternity test to ascertain if the baby is really mine. Yes, DNA. So if you are ready, let's go and see my doctor to have this thing sorted out. Come on, do your worst, since you don't want to comply. I mean, good night. I have to cut this call. Good night.
My dear, the key is trust and communication. Let's talk. Don't jump into hasty conclusion. It's a recipe for chaos. Look, there are so many women out there, but I chose you.
Babes, the picture looked so real and alive. How could I have known they were just pictures for rehearsals at the audition?
If you had just asked. If you had just asked, no woman can steal me away from you. I'm so much into you.
I love you when you say things like this. Thank you.
I love you too. You're sweet, huh? Hey, Nina. Look at you. I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi. How are you? I'm Yogi. What are you guys doing here?
We just want to have fun, just the way you are having some fun.
Oh, look at you. Anyways, this is Abiba, my sweetheart, my princess, my love. Abiba, this is Na, my colleague from work.
Hello, Abiba.
Hi, Na.
I heard lots about you.
Oh, really?
You're a very lucky woman, Abiba. You're always talking about you in the office. Now I know why. Please take care of him for us, okay?
I will.
Sure. You too, dear. Take care. Bye-bye. You heard it.
I have learnt my lessons all right, but I still have a lot to do. You turn the ladies too easy.
Look at you. I'm jealous.
My baby. Mimi! Mimi!
Ma! Mimi, I want you to make a call for me. 0244. Okay. Call this number. A lady called Sika will answer. Tell her you just arrived from the USA and that you have something for her from her friend.
Why? And what if she asks who is from?
Okay, Mimi. Tell her her friend wants to surprise her and that you want to deliver the thing to her personally. So she should give you the directions to her office.
Ma, who is she? And why do you want to know her office? Why don't you ask her yourself?
Hey, Mimi, are you questioning me, your mother? Eh? Come on, obey before you complain.
Ma, have you forgotten you're already facing a case of assault? I hope you're not up to
If you don't want to lose your daddy, you will make this call. Make it. You just this number. I ring it. I go.
We must deal with her drastically. I mean, the reputation of this company cannot be sullied by such behaviors.
We must wait for her to come.
Okay.
Abigail.
Sir.
Please sit down.
Abigail?
Yes, madam.
I don't see why some of you have refused to follow the laid down modes of engagement by this company. You are not supposed to call a client after working hours, nor meet them at places such as restaurants, bars, clubs, and all those places. No, it doesn't speak well of us.
I didn't call him, madam. He called me.
That notwithstanding, Abigail, you could have told him the company does not allow meeting people at such places, and most importantly, married men.
Yes. That even makes it more serious, you know. Married men and women are clients we must handle with utmost tact.
I'm really sorry, sir. I was only thinking of the sale.
Sales.
Look, let this be the last time that you're doing such a thing. Because if you repeat it again, as head of PR, I would not hesitate that I recommend for you to be fired from this company.
It won't happen again, I promise.
Good. Really?
Thank you very much.
I mean, some of these behaviors cannot be tolerated.
I think she meant well. But in doing so, she must be guided by our company's ethics.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
We're so scared.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be fired. I thought I was going to be fired.
Next time, be careful. You know how premium property
I
guys.
know, right?
Take care.
I have to go to my desk.
All right. Settle.
Taxi driver, wait for me, okay?
Okay.
But keep the engine running. I might run back inside here, depending on what happens in there. Okay?
Okay.
I'm looking for Sika Mensa.
Okay, madam. Your name, please.
Lady Gaga.
Sorry, your name.
Hey. I said Lady Gaga.
Please have a seat.
Look at my legs. I have strong legs. I'll stand.
You have a visitor. A female. She says she's Lady Gaga. No, not a real Lady Gaga.
Sure.
Okay. All right. Lady Gaga, please, she'll be with you shortly.
Thanks.
Please, are you sure you don't want to see?
Hey, why? I have strong legs. Why? Do I look like a weak person for you? Eh? Or do you see me as a weak woman?
Sorry.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am.
Get to the bathroom and do this test. It will take less than 2 minutes.
What are you doing?
Or do you prefer the lab?
You must be crazy.
Hey! Be crazy! Oh, okay. I will show you what crazy people do. Yes, I am crazy to have allowed you to slash my husband. I am crazy for allowing you to get pregnant for my husband. I am crazy. Yes, I am crazy. Look, in fact, if you don't take the test in my full glare, I'm not leaving this office today. I'm not leaving.
Please, madam.
I am not leaving.
Please, madam, please calm down. What exactly is the matter?
This thing here sold a policy to my husband. And the next thing I knew, she said she's pregnant for my husband. But unfortunately for her, my husband doubts it. So I'm just on a simple mission. I'm here to confirm whether she's pregnant or not. Simple.
Sika, is it true?
This woman must be crazy. She's just making up stories.
How? So you're not pregnant?
No, I'm not.
Hey! Ah! So you're just trying to come in between my husband and I, eh?
Madam, please, just leave me alone.
Let me leave you alone. Let me leave you alone. Look, leave me alone.
Madam, please calm down. Please calm down.
Oh! Shashi wowo, Shashi wowo, Ashawo. Next time, come and play with my husband. Next time, come and play. Hey, me, if you touch me, you touch fire. I am crack grace. Hey, shapeless girl. Abiba. Hey, why did you think things are quite in the haunting time?
Please calm down.
Please.
Please calm down. This is an office and there are other occupants. Please calm down. I'm the manager of this organization. I'm going to handle that. Please.
If it's not because I'm shy of you, eh?
Thank you.
Well, what I'll do to that shame.
Shia. Next time.
Okay, now all of you go back to your desk.
My friend, get back to your offices.
I will see you some other time when the need arises. But I bet you wouldn't let that need arise for me to pay you a second visit.
I assure you I'm going to handle this.
Saskatchewan.
The frogs drown it up to the time.